Food. Food places the most importance in providing natural, healthy, and wholesome food made with a mother's love and care, and strives to supply food produced based on honesty and trust. Food is an HACCP designated company by the Korean Food and Drug Administration. Consequently, all their products are being made with natural ingredients according to the HACCP plan. Yakson Foods Yakson Porridge is a wholesome meal made with carefully selected high-quality local farm goods by blending nutritional characteristics from plants and functional aspects of medicinal plants. Andong Yam Porridge. Andong Yam Porridge is a high-nutrition, low-calorie dish that can serve as a meal replacement. It is made with andong grown yams, brown rice, carrots, onions, peanuts, dry shiitake mushrooms, and dried kelp. Koik seed, millet, and mung bean porridge. Koik seed, millet, and mung bean porridge consists of brown rice, koik seeds, millet, mung beans, perilla, and various root vegetables. Women can enjoy this dish without worrying about their weight. Brown rice sorghum porridge. Brown rice sorghum porridge is a light and clear porridge that can be enjoyed by students who are in development stage as a meal or a snack. It consists of brown rice, sorghum, black sesame seeds, root plants, and dried shiitake mushrooms and dried kelp.